so cool. Like, every single time they come out with their, like, postcards that explain everything, they're so unique and so cool. And that literally, I'm going to have to put that on the wall somewhere. But, look at it. Look at all the prettiness. Like, it's all vintage, like, and everything. And then, like, their stories, the videos of showing this and everything. Oh, my God, it's so pretty. America's Route 66 palette. Oh, my God, like, every single time, like, they come out with, like, the cutest, like, packaging and everything. If I can get it out. Oh, God. Okay. I'm a sucker for all, like, the vintage cards on here and everything. Like, so cool. Oh, and look, it's like, ooh. I don't know if you can see that, but, like, kind of, I guess you would consider that embossed, but it, like, kind of lifts up and everything. And then it's got that, like, sheen to it. Oh, my God, look at the little man in there. Okay, and the whale. I'm trying to look at this backwards at the same time. This is my first time opening it up and everything. Oh, my God. But I like how, like, it's, I think that's called embossed. I'm pretty sure that's called embossed, but I like how it's raised and you can feel it. I love their inside of the packaging. Like, they always do something cute and different. Whoa. And they always put the big mirrors, and then they put this so that way it separates. Fun. Like, those are so pretty. Okay, so now you can see that up close. That is so pretty. And, like, the embossed little logos with the little cars and the Route 66, the Texas. Like, they continue to make different palettes and everything. I've not found any better. I am very convinced that they know what they're doing, and I don't think I can ever find a brand that, like, is up to par with them. I like a lot of makeup brands and a lot of eyeshadow palettes, but whatever Nomad is doing, every single palette, like, their shimmers, their duochromes, their highlighters, like, every single palette I get, I'm blown away, even like, every single time. Anyways, I always tell you, like, guys, that because I'm like, seriously, every single time. Okay, so I want to do a swatch of the one that is called Blue Swallow. No, yeah, Blue Swallow. Okay. I just, like, that one is standing out to me so much. And I'm like, I want to play with the browns and that orange and then mix a blue in there. So I'm like, I'm thinking I'm going to pop the blue in the inner corners. Yeah, we're gonna go for that very bold moment. So I want to take Cadillac Ranch, the darker brown, and then pop that on the outer portion. So just picking it up, shaking it out, and then keep that to kind of like that V, just this way and that way, and then just keeping that to the outer. This is gonna be so pretty. Like, when I see blues and browns together, I'm just like, they are so pretty on other people. But if you couldn't see it, yeah, that's very bold. So, on the road again, which is the, sorry, it's pointing to the wrong thing, this color. The medium brown, and then just take that on like a more denser, fluffier brush. And then slightly go above where we went, and then go all the way to the nose area. Gemini Giant will be the next one, and I'll take it on a bigger, fluffier brush, and then this is just to kind of blend out from the area we had all the way up to the brow bone. Oh, that's so cool. It's like a coral beachy color, and then pat it into the center, and then slightly come down towards the inner corner. Okay, that is very, very pretty. I want to do something a little more crazy and then pop Blue Whale into the outer portion with a small, very small, okay, because they're more like fluffier and everything. But yeah, okay, so I'm just gonna take that and then pop it into this area. Like, I still want it to blend out with the brown, but then at the same time I kind of want it to pop in blue. I also want to put it on the under eyes, so we're also gonna take that Blue Whale color, and then I'm trying to do this without, like, putting this right in front of your face over and over, but still being in focus. That is so pretty. Look at that. My mom loves, like, all these teal, aqua, blue colors, and I'm like, she probably would love this color. Let's pop the pink in, and that is called El Rancho. El Rancho, if I'm saying that right. Okay, so I'm gonna get it on the brush, get it on the brush, it is on the brush. Okay. Doo-doo. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, tell me you guys are seeing that. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Okay, that is so, so pretty. And then I want to take that really cool, it is Gateway Arc, and that is a really, really cool, highlighter shade. I'm going to put it on the tip of my nose. Da-da-da-da. It is so pretty. Anyways, and then put it on the brow bone. Doo-doo. It's like a goldish, yellowish, but like very cool highlighter color. Take the black mascara for the top, but then when we get to the bottom, we're gonna do brown mascara. That's what I've been doing like lately. My combination has been black and black for the top lashes and brown for the bottom lashes, and it's just made the looks, like every single look that I do, just like stand out that more. So these are the about how to be a redhead, finally have lashes, and then this is just perfectly brown, but it's just completed my looks and made them even that more like really pretty. Just want to see what a red lipstick would look like with this, so I'm gonna put this one on. It's by Fenty and it is called Uncensored. Let's see. I was like, well, I'm going wild, I might as well go like really, really wild. It actually looks really, really pretty. So that is the completed look using their America's Route 66 palette, and it is super pretty, very summery, and I cannot wait to play with like more of the blues and the greens and everything. But I am just like honestly all for these. Like shimmers are just like really, really popping. And then I will, at the end of this video, show you guys swatches. So,
Baby, so go.